Welcome to today's episode of Simply Tech, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the tech world. So some of you may have already received the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and some of you are still waiting for it to appear on your doorstep. But almost all of you may have never heard of this feature on the S23. That will change the gaming experience for good. It not only stops the phone from heating, but it also increases the life of your battery. And this feature is called Pause USB Power. And what it basically does is it allows the charger to supply power directly to the phone rather than charging the battery. Let me explain. Suppose you're playing a game right now. What we do is say if the battery is low, we plug in the charger and continue playing. What this does is, it charges the battery and then the battery provides the energy for the phone to function. But the downside of dust is that the phone heats up a lot. Charging the battery generates heat, and using the battery power also generates heat. And we all know excessive heat degrades the battery quickly. But with the Galaxy S23 Ultras, Samsung found a solution. They got rid of the middleman. That's right. When you enable the Pause USB power delivery option, the phone no longer uses the battery. Inside, it directly runs on the charger. This reduces the heat quite substantially, and is a great feature for gamers who want peak performance at all times. As you can see, the S23 Ultra consumes 6 watts of power when the battery bypass feature is enabled. But when the feature is disabled, it consumes 17 watts power, so quite a substantial difference that would not only reduce heat and throttling, but also improve the battery health. But there is a problem. This feature for now is limited to a certain number of S23 handsets. It was first shared by the Malaysia-based YouTube channel NL Tag, but for some reason, others who have the S23 can't find the feature in the settings. Maybe Samsung is being cautious and rolling this feature out slowly as they don't want another battery gate. If you have the S23, you can go to the Game Booster settings and check whether or not you have the feature. Also, since this feature seems like a software-based solution, there's a high chance that Samsung could bring this feature to older Samsung flagships too. Will they? Well, it remains to be seen. That's all for today's episode of Simply Tech. Stay tuned for more exciting tech news and reviews. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and see you next time.